AI Writing, with an income potential between 100 and 200 an hour. The most valuable business skill isn't writing words, it's communicating ideas. So for example, my writing team uses AI to take all the video transcripts from coaching calls, advisory calls, conversations, pretty much they record me all the time, and they use it to extract the stories, the lessons, the quotes that they'll then use in my newsletter and article. So it's not having AI per se write for me, it's using it to find the gold that they can insert into a video like this or prompt me for a reel so they get the natural and real reaction, but using AI to do all the heavy lifting. So I sat down with my head of Word, Joel, and I asked him to teach me all the AI writing skills that people need to master to get paid the big bucks. Knowing how to use those is where you're gonna make your money. Number one, extraction. As I mentioned, take long form content, video, transcripts, and have it break it down into the essence or the ideas that are represented, because then you can take that as module pieces and move them around for your newsletter or tweets on X or LinkedIn posts and make it your own, not have it just write for you and it sounds like a freaking robot. Number two, ideation. What you want to do is take all the best performing content for your client, feed that to AI and have it push new ideas to you that you know are going to go viral because you've already have examples of it working on their existing content, but then you can come up with new ideas, new variations, tell it to like figure out 15 new ways based on what's worked in the past so that you know every idea is going to hit. Number three, creation. And this is different than ideation because what you want to do is you want to feed it the exact tone of voice, specific examples of where your customer has written pieces of content that they're proud of that you know have gone viral. And then you create a custom AI or custom GPT that writes just like they would write or just like they would talk. That way, they'll pay you the top dollar so that they can use that AI across all departments, from responding to emails and customer support to writing new marketing campaigns. But learning AI won't just impact the simple skills.
So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.